This is the setup for persistence of vision experiments. This is a 5 milliwatt 632.8 nanometer Heaney laser. That is a Cambridge 671 precision mirror system, and that's a normal screen on which a laser beam will be projected. Now you can see the single dot of laser. This is my first Lysages pattern, but at a lower frequency, so you can see a single dot moving around. Now I'll increase the frequency, and because of persistence of vision, we should be able to see a straight circle. And now we can see almost a flicker-free circle. Changing the frequency ratio between the X and Y, we should be able to form different Lysages patterns, which I'll be demonstrating now. Now, I have added a small drift to the A by B number. This gap that you see in the line is primarily because of the lower capture rate of my camera. In actual practice, it's a complete line. I'll keep changing the Lysages patterns now. Excuse for the lack of audio now. I can control the speed of the drift. Access to triangle. This will give us a combo figure. Changing mode to triangle. For those who entered late, it's just a single dot of laser moving really fast, projecting on the screen to this thing. It's using persistence of vision. Now I put in a square area, so you will see only the edges more clearly. Now the square area, if I go to a sawtooth way, it will be a slightly more interesting pattern. But I don't think my mirror should be moving at this high speeds, so I'll be reducing them to something else. There we go again. Now just from a static pattern, changing the waveforms. Yes, we can make letters with it if that's what you're thinking. And I guess I'm tired now, so we'll be ending the video. Just to say one more time. This was Optics Lab, BITS Pilani, Goa campus, India. Persistence of vision experiments. This whole apparatus is basically set up as a precision laser beam positioning system, so which can be shot into an inverted research microscope in the process of making a confocal laser scanning microscope. Thank you for your time. This is Nishit Rastogi. Bye bye.
Give a triangle wave for one and assign it for the other.
Mm-hmm.